Hey guys, this is tutorial 1.3 of introducing CSS. We're going to be talking about typefaces here and specifying typefaces, basically allowing you to change the font within your web browser using CSS rules. Right now, Google Chrome, this is just a default font that Google has in their browser that when pages load up, it will have this default font always. Now, you can change that with your CSS code. The best way to do this is using something called font family. So right now, we want everything in our body to have a font family of Georgia. And the reason I'm typing 3 different fonts here is because if the person does not have one of these fonts installed on their computer, say they don't have Georgia, the browser will then render it as Times. And then if they don't have that, it will have it as serif. Now, there's always a chance that they're going to have at least all 3 of these on their computer. If it doesn't, it will go to the next one. So it's best to have 3, and if it doesn't have any of those, then it'll just default to the browser's normal font. Now let's move on to H1 and H2. We want both of these to have a font family of Arial, Verdana, and sans serif. And again, if it doesn't have Arial on their computer, it will move on to Verdana. If it doesn't have Verdana, it will go to sans serif. If it doesn't have sans serif, it will do whatever the default browser has their font as. Now let's make sure we end it, and we forgot to end it up here, so let's make sure we do that. That's good. Now let's save it, and now let's go into our browser and watch the text change as we refresh. So there we go, guys. That is how you specify a typeface within your CSS code. Now, this was tutorial 1.3. Make sure you're subscribed if you want to see all my tutorials. Tutorial 1.4 will be coming up soon. It will discuss how to change the size of your text and the size of your type using font size with your CSS rules. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.